how to log in Google Photos account. So if you want to log into your Google Photos account on your mobile, then first you need to open up your Google Photos and then tap on allow. And now you can go for the upper right corner which has that profile icon. And from here you can sign into your another account, or you can also go for the drop down bar which is on the right side, and then you can choose your account. So I'll be choosing my account. And now tap on the cross which is on the left, and here it will set up your photo library. So you can again go for your profile which is on the upper right, and here you can turn on your backup. Simply tap on turn on and then turn on backup to your original account. And once you turn that on, your backup will be started, and that's it. That's how you log into your Google Photos account, and now you can get all of your photos. So that's it. That's how you log into your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.